Okay, welcome back. So after using Enroth's and it decided to cut the solids, sometimes you'll run into an issue, and I don't know why this happens, but it does. All of them are the same length all the way out, but for some reason the output was not a solid. It did not cut this one out for some reason, and on this side it left this business. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So we're going to double click inside this component. Notice when you click on this face, it all highlights. So it means there's a break in the line. So we need to fix that. Okay. Because what we want is this to be deleted. Now, let's go ahead and take care of this. Use the erase tool. Zoom in, get rid of that extra line. I think that's everything, I'm not sure. So let's re-click our component and it says solid. So that is a solid component. Now why it did this, I don't know. Sometimes it does. And sometimes that's why it's better just to do maybe one group at a time. This one from that, this from that, or in multiples of 3 instead of the whole thing. I don't know. I don't know why it chose to do that. So, anyways, that is our finished product. Now, before I finish this short video, if you don't want any of these lines in here, so let's go in the component, double click it. Okay. There we go. Back inside. If you don't want any of these lines, don't actually erase them. Just hold the. If you look down here, it says hold Control to soften or smooth. So it doesn't get rid of them, it just hides them. So that's an option you can do. Go through and take care of it. So, okay, well, let's go back to our PowerPoint and make sure that we've done everything. We've talked about copying arrays with the Move tool and using circular patterns. We have not done section views, but we've done smoother revolves. So let's talk about a section view. Maybe we did in the previous video, but you know what, just for the heck of it, let's redo it. So down here is this little thing called a section plane. Go ahead and put it where you want. I'm going to put it along the green axis, and then use the Move tool, M, to move it, and you'll start to see what it looks like in a section. So let's move it back to right at the halfway point. Come on, right about there. So you can see where our actual sketch right in here, where how that looks very recognizable to what we sketched right here. So now this version of Sketchup doesn't have it, where it fills in this gap with not a solid, but almost like a piece of paper, like a film, so you can actually see a section. 2018 Pro has that. You can also download an extension called Scalp, which will put hatch marks. So it's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and move that. Let's delete that section view. But anyways, that's how you can do section views. So our rim is nice and finished. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this particular video on how to make a rim in SketchUp and how to use solid tools. So once again, thank you for watching.